Create the perfect bed. Never wake up with your comforter, duvet or blanket all over the place ever again. These snap-on clips will make sure your comforter does not shift inside your duvet cover. Completely undetectable. Once you install them underneath the duvet, you will not be able to tell they are there. They discreetly attach inside and are undetectable. Will not damage bedding. Other brands will eventually wear down your expensive duvet and comforter. They are designed to create a gentle, but firm hold. Simple to use. Adding these comforter clips to your duvet could not be easier. They attach very easily to all four corners without the need for any special tools. Will last a lifetime. The comforter clips padded duvet clips are the only bedding clips you will ever need. They are built to last a lifetime. Top reviews from the United States. Best blanket accessory. This is probably the best thing I've bought all year. These clips are a game changer for our blanket. I took another reviewer's advice and ordered 2 sets for our king-size duvet. Our blanket didn't move from the time we added 2 clips to when I took them off to wash the blanket a few weeks later. Which is a huge improvement from having to shake out the blanket nearly every night to readjust the duvet. They are super easy to use and I don't notice them in the corners. Every once in a while I'll feel one of the clips in the middle of the edge, but it's not any worse than the buttons in the duvet. 10 out of 10 would recommend this product to anyone with a duvet.